Hello guys, this is a deck profile for Elemental Dragon. You need 3 Blaster, 3 Tempest, 3 Redox, Earth, 3 Tidal, Water, 3 Effect Veiler, to stop effects, also level 1 tuner, 2 Reactant to summon Redox from deck, 2 Steam to summon Tidal from deck, 2 Burner to summon Blaster from deck, 1 Debris Dragon, 1 Flame Guard, level 1 tuner, 1 Lightning, only 1 because we have Debris Dragon, 1 Eclipse Wyvern, because if you discard Burner or any other little dragons with Eclipse Wyvern, you can add Light and Darkness Dragon to your hand. Yeah, that's for the monsters. Yeah. 3 God Sarcophagus. Search 1 Dark Hole, very powerful card. 7 Star Sword, draw power. Heavy Storm, because we hate spell and trap cards. 1 Book of Moon. Super Rejuvenation for draw power. Card Destruction for draw power. Monster Reborn, to reborn any monster in your graveyard. Eradicator Epidemic Virus versus Spellbooks. Return from the different dimension, OTK card. For extra deck, you have Jewel Pair Dragon Stardust, Craft Dragon, Red Demon's Archpen, Crimson Blader, Black Rose. For Xyz, Mega Phantom Beast Dragosack, Big Eye, Starform Dragon, Big Eye, Tegusto, Gachi Gantetsu, Maestro, Black Ship of Corn, Geo Abyss, Gaia Dragon of Thunder, Big Eye, Armory Arm, Mega Phantom Beast Dragosack, tokens. If you complete this deck, you win.